Let's see.
This is fake.
I'm trying to tell you
I'll take it. 5 and 17.
I got some of
Trusting numbers in the middle, okay?
Oh, I'm glitched myself.
No! Why?
I just had this.
That is not real, man. 7 and 20!
Yeah.
Oh, my kid is gonna go down, man. Oh,
that's it. Ooh.
hold on. And I got 11 and 20.
And I came second to that.